Hello everyone, welcome back again to Rafthelsavlogs. Today's vlog is a product review of my fashion accessories. This is a handmade myself. I made this by myself. Look at this. This is a pure Swarovski crystal, and this is a real gold, 14 carats. This one, look. This is one of my masterpiece, and this is my collection. I made this one more than 10 years ago. So this is one of my design. 10 years before 10 years I'm creating and selling different design of Swarovski jewelry. This is a Swarovski stone, and this is the crystal. This is a solid square crystal, and this one is a diamond type with gold, and the spacer here is also square and with diamonds. It is like diamonds. This one is a gold bar, and this is the lock, and this small one, the balls, we call it the stopper, okay, or the stopper. And this one with the use of the jewelry wire. I'm making like this with bracelet, sorry, with earrings and with rings, and also with matching necklace. So this is a handmade by Rafthelsavlogs. So I will be showing you more on my creations in my next vlog. I will show you some of my collections that I have created in the past, and I keep it as my collection because I don't have any more materials now. That is why I keep some of my creation, so that I will have a referral or reference when I'm going to create a new one, so I can see my previous project. So look at this. So it's just like that, and social job. So it is match for my outfit, beige, and this is crystal, social siya guys, oh. Tapos red nail polish and red lipstick. So keep watching. I will show you more of my projects about my jewelry, fashion jewelry creations, and fashion hair accessories, and many things. Just keep watching, stay connected, and I will see you in my next premiere about some of my collections that I made in the past. So I will just show you, and I will show you my collection of my album, where I keep my photographs of my different projects from fashion jewelry and my hair accessories collection. But I have only the pictures now because it was already long time that I've been making this, but I have a tutorial you can find in my playlist beadworks tutorial, and you can find my tutorial also about how to create a fashion jewelry. But most of my fashion jewelry that I am using in my tutorial is recycling, that is a DIY project. Okay, and I am also making some fashion accessories like some pearl beads. So if you want to learn to create a fashion jewelry, just try to click my playlist beadworks tutorial, and you can find all my DIY tutorial on how to create different fashion accessories. Okay, guys, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next vlog. And from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much to everyone who always there to watch my premiere. So if you like this premiere, just give a thumbs up, give a comment, share this video, and if you want to support my channel, just click the super thanks down below, and your support is highly appreciated. And if you are new to Rafthelsavlogs, please do subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will be updated with all my new videos. Until here, and keep safe always. Stay healthy, smile, and I wish everyone more success in life, more blessings, and more success in our YouTube channel. So, this is it. So, see you again, guys, tomorrow, same time, same place at 1 p.m. Germany time, 7 p.m. Philippine time. Okay, ciao.